Hey everybody, so we're going to do a quick video. It's a deal alert. Again, a deal alert. I got a deal I found on the Skilsaw's new cordless Mag 77 circular saw. So and I'll also put the information in the description down below. Here it is right here. Skill SPTH77M-12. 7 1/4 TRUEHVL cordless WormDrive saw kit with TRUEHVL battery and Diablo blade. Click on it. Again, this is the Skilsaw's new 7 1/4 inch TRUEHVL cordless WormDrive. This is an actual WormDrive saw kit with a TRUEHVL battery and Diablo blade, and this one is coming with the charger as well. And you scroll right here, free Skilsaw TRUEHVL 48 volt lithium ion battery offer. So if you click on it, this is the battery it's referring to. Battery on Skilsaw's website is $299, so you're getting a free $300 battery in essence. And it's $250 is what they're charging for it. So if you put $399 plus a $300 battery, you're talking about $700. And that's if you round up the $1 for the saw kit and the $1 for the battery at full price. So if you add it to the cart, go to cart, it automatically adds it in. Free gift, the battery, $249 total free. Says minus $249 down here at the bottom. Order total is $399. You can't really beat that. In my opinion, you can't. So I just wanted to show that to you guys. I will provide the link in the description down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video.